If Gimp is showing a Twain.exe error on Windows, don't worry. This is usually a scanner plugin issue, and in many cases, it can be fixed in just a few minutes. In this video, I'll show you the fastest way to stop the error if you don't use a scanner, and then I'll show you what to do if you do need scanning support in Gimp. If this tutorial helps, please hit like and subscribe for more quick software fixes like this. Let's jump right in. First, let's talk about why this happens. The Twain.exe file is an older 32-bit plugin that Gimp uses for scanner communication. On some Windows systems, especially after updates, reinstallations, or driver changes, this plugin can trigger missing DLL errors, entry point errors, or compatibility problems. That means Gimp may crash on launch, or the error may appear when you try to open or use a scanner. Now, if you do not scan documents directly into Gimp, the easiest fix is to disable the plugin completely. This is the fastest and safest solution because Gimp does not actually need Twain.exe unless you are using scanner features. To do that, close Gimp completely first. Make sure it is not running in the background. After that, open File Explorer and go to the Gimp plugins folder. On most systems, the default path is C drive, Program Files, Gimp 2, Lib, Gimp 2.0 plugins. If you are using Gimp 3.x, the Twain files may be inside a Twain folder within the plugins directory, so just look carefully for anything related to Twain. Once you find it, look for Twain.exe or a folder named Twain. You can either delete it or, if you want to be extra safe, move it to your desktop as a backup first. That way, if you ever need it again, you can restore it easily. After removing the file or folder, relaunch Gimp. In most cases, the error pop-up will be gone, and Gimp should open normally without trying to load the scanner plugin. Now, if you do use a scanner and you need that functionality, then deleting the plugin is not the best long-term fix. In that case, the issue is often caused by corrupted DLL links, mismatched files, or the wrong scanner driver. One of the most common causes is a leftover DLL from an older Gimp installation. This can happen when you update or reinstall the program, but some old files remain behind and conflict with the new version. To fix that properly, do a clean reinstall of Gimp. First, uninstall Gimp from Windows, then manually delete the remaining Gimp installation folder so any leftover files are removed. After that, restart your PC. Once your system is back on, download the latest stable version directly from the official Gimp website and install it again fresh. This clean install often fixes strange Twain.exe and DLL errors because it removes the broken files causing the conflict. If the problem still continues and you need scanning support, the next thing to check is your scanner driver. This is very important because Gimp's Twain plugin is 32-bit, so it needs a 32-bit Twain scanner driver to work correctly. If your scanner is using the wrong driver version, Gimp may not be able to communicate with it properly, and that can trigger errors when launching the plugin. Go to your scanner manufacturer's support website and look for the correct Twain driver for your exact model and your version of Windows. Make sure you install the proper 32-bit driver if that is what your setup requires. If you are on a newer Windows device, especially ARM-based hardware or a system using emulation, compatibility can become even more important, so using the official driver from the manufacturer is the best move. If you have already tried the simple fix and the clean reinstall, but Gimp still shows the error, then it is worth checking for any missing runtime files or conflicting scanner software on your PC. Sometimes reinstalling the scanner driver alone is enough to restore the connection. Other times, removing older scanner utilities and restarting Windows can help Gimp load the correct components cleanly. So the quick recap is this: if you do not need scanner support, remove Twain.exe from the Gimp plugins folder. If you do need scanner support, perform a clean reinstall of Gimp and install the correct 32-bit Twain scanner driver from your manufacturer. That combination solves most Twain.exe errors on Windows. If this video helped you fix the problem, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy software troubleshooting guides. And if you want, leave a comment with your exact Gimp version and scanner model and I can help you narrow down the fix. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.